Understanding color isn't optional if you're using direct-to-film transfers to customize apparel. It's a critical skill you have to develop. It's fundamental because your understanding of color directly affects how well you can choose the right design tools, troubleshoot color issues on your prints, evaluate DTF print providers like DMandprints or others, grade the quality of the prints that you're buying, or even decide whether a printer you might be looking to buy is truly commercial grade or maybe it's just another consumer level machine. If you don't understand key concepts like color space, color gamut, or spot colors, you're eventually going to hit walls. That means you're going to lose time, you might lose potential jobs, and eventually lose customers because as your customers become more sophisticated, their expectations also grow. And as the person that is delivering the final product, your knowledge of color needs to be on par with, or ideally ahead of your customers and especially your competition. So this is the DTF Color Masterclass from DMandprints. Our goal in this series is to help you understand the key concepts and terms that actually matter and how they apply to real everyday work you're doing in the shop. We want to clear up some common misconceptions, connect the dots on things that maybe you only half learned in the past, and hopefully fill in the gaps that are holding you back. We don't want this to be theory for the sake of theory. Everything we cover, we want to tie directly to the challenges you face, whether it's preparing your own artwork, fixing customer files, getting clean, vibrant DTF prints, or making sure the final product that you deliver to your customers meets the expectations that you promised. So if you care about consistency, quality, and growing your business, you're in the right place. We're breaking these down into separate videos with chapters so you can go through them in order or jump around and find exactly what you need when you need it. As a DTF print provider, this actually helps us too, because if we can speak the same language with you, then we can work better together to deliver high quality results for you and for your customers. And in the end, this is about succeeding together because it's kind of a partnership when you allow us to do the printing piece for your business. We're going to cover topics like color space, color gamut, Pantone, spot colors, color matching, and many more. And we're going to show examples using the tools and the workflows that take you from a digital design on your computer to a final print that's pressed onto a garment. If you're watching this close to the time when we're building this series out around early June of 2025, some of the videos in the series might still be in production. So stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get started.